Assalamu alaikum. Today, I will speak about a very simple sentence and a story. So, this story will be very helpful for you. So, you stay with me. First of all, 2 years ago, my life was very difficult. I waste time. I used to waste a lot of time. I was not serious about learning English. So now I am more confident. I am more focused. So now I am learning English step by step. And I am creating many things. So you stay with me because I will teach you many things. So you know well that I am learner. I am beginner, not teacher. So now I am learning. I never skip my daily routine. I never waste time. So thank you for watching my videos. Okay. Allah Hafiz.